To prevent damage, please take out carton staples prior to removing the product. Remove all surround panels and caddies to verify they are the correct color. Measure each panel and caddy to ensure correct size per instructions. Remove faucet handles and spout. Wall surface must be solid, smooth, clean, dry, and plumb. Replace damaged or standard drywall with waterproof board. Waterproof board must be installed to studs above bathtub flange for a plumb surface. Using the packing carton, create a template. Cut carton to the same size as side panel. Mark one side of template with an X. Place template over faucet controls. X side goes against waterproof board. Align template with the front edge of bathtub. Mark faucet locations or press carton against faucet controls to create an indent in carton. Place on table. Cut holes in template. To ensure proper faucet location, trial fit template over faucet controls. Place side panel on flat surface with protective film facing you. Position template with X side facing protective film. Mark hole locations. Remove template and cover area to be cut with masking tape. Using a utility knife, carefully cut faucet holes. Trial fit side panels, using masking tape to keep panels in place. Make sure the side panels are lined up in front of bathtub. Measure back panel from corner of alcove to ensure it's centered. Trial fit both corner caddies. To ensure proper adhesive coverage, trace back and side panels. Remove panels and apply adhesive to back waterproof board inside the lines. Apply adhesive in an S pattern. Evenly trowel adhesive. Failure to trowel adhesive will result in an uneven finish. Position back panel and press firmly in place. Repeat process for both side panels. Peel back protective film from each edge where the caddies will be placed. Apply adhesive to back of each caddy using an S pattern. Evenly trowel adhesive. Apply 1/8 inch bead of adhesive around edge of each corner caddy. Position caddy in corner of alcove and press firmly in place. Repeat with second caddy. Although not required, cross bracing can be used to ensure each panel stays firmly in place as adhesive dries. Peel back protective film from all panel and caddy edges to allow room for caulking. Caulk all seams with high-grade color coordinated or clear caulk, allowing it to fully cure per manufacturer's instructions. Remove all protective film. Your glue-up wall install is now complete.